My name is Amit Jain. I am Director of Thermocare Rockpool India Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are manufacturing stone wool insulation products used for insulation of PEBs, other commercial buildings. The product gives a building thermal and acoustic insulation, which gives a building a workplace comfortable and reduces the temperature by 10 to 15 degrees. The product is fireproof. The company was established in the year 2007. We are manufacturing stone wool slab, LRB mattresses, sectional pipe insulation, loose mineral wool, building roll with different facings like yellow glass, aluminum foil, and black glass tissues.